Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore biometric login with Android BiometricPrompt, beginner guide step by step clearly. To restore biometric login using Android BiometricPrompt, start by ensuring your device is updated to the latest Android version. Open your device's settings by locating the gear icon in your app drawer or notification panel. Scroll down and tap on Security. In the Security menu, look for the option labeled Biometrics or Biometric Data. Select this option to access your biometric settings. You may be prompted to enter your device's PIN, password, or pattern for security verification. Once verified, you will see options for fingerprint recognition, face recognition, or both, depending on your device. If biometric options are disabled, enable them by toggling the switch for fingerprint or face recognition. Next, follow the on-screen instructions to re-register your biometric data. For fingerprint login, you will be asked to place your finger on the sensor repeatedly. Make sure to lift and reposition your finger for optimal registration of your fingerprint. For facial recognition, position your face within the guidelines until your face is fully scanned. Once registration is complete, you will receive a confirmation message. Return to the main security settings and check if biometric login is set as an option for your apps. Navigate to your apps and open the app where you want to enable biometric login. Go to the app settings and look for an option related to security or login settings. Select the option to enable biometric authentication. Ensure that you grant the app permission to use your registered biometric data. Test the newly restored biometric login by locking the app and attempting to access it again. If everything is set up correctly, your biometric login should work seamlessly. In case of any issues, revisit the biometric settings and check if the correct methods are enabled. You have now successfully restored biometric login using Android BiometricPrompt. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.